The creativity of the architect, Tim Stewart, and the workmanship, the great detail of the workmanship, has created this fabulous, stylish new home. This was an original workers' cottage and it has been almost completely rebuilt. You enter from the street, down the walkway, to the hall and entranceway. It splits the home in two. Down the stairs, here is the kitchen, dining and living area, all light-filled. The beautiful cabinetry is sleek, with concealed fridges and double ovens. There's even a little butler's pantry nook. The big timber glass sliders open out to a terrace and that Italian barbecue. On the other side, there is the suspended swimming pool and again another light-filled terrace. Up the stairs, you'll find another breakout space. Along the hallway, you'll find the impressive main bedroom. The main bedroom is spacious. Then you walk into the lovely, luxurious ensuite with its bath and green aspect. There's also a fully fitted out walk-in robe. Up the stairs on the top level, you'll find 3 more bedrooms, 2 that share a bathroom, then the 3rd bedroom tucked away beside the family bathroom. There's such a great joy and a proud feeling of living and owning an architectural home. But the location is wonderful also. It's such an easy stroll to the Paddington Central and all the fun of La Trobe Terrace. You're also surrounded by kindies and schools. So I'm Judi O'Day and I look forward to greeting you here very soon.